birthday to Briggs, number 5. Okay, return to the arena. Here we go. Scott Abbott from Delta, Utah, veteran driver. Number 34, Tyler Kerrigan, Morgan, Utah. Rowdy Burns from the Bulldogs from Rock Springs, Wyoming. Number 13, Alex Harvard, your best paint winner from Eagle Mountain, Ace Ranch. Number 7, Nick Ladd. Anthony Sargent from West Valley City, L7 Trucking and Ace Ranch. 317, Ryan Sargent from Camas, Utah, Soup and Son. That's it, we got him, friends. We're running. A couple short, but hey, the bell's the bell. We've got to roll. This is how we do it at UTC. We just flat out get it done. You know what I'm saying? Get her done. Larry, the cable guy, quoted that one. You bet. Who's your favorite in this heat, ladies and gentlemen? If you know it, make sure you squeal just a little louder for your favorite driver. We're just about ready to start. Barriers in place. I'm going to need your help. As soon as I get the high flying judges are up, and we're ready. Let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go.